why our customers are always recognized with our maize milling machine and wheat flour milling machine. Next, we will tell you.
First, our Hongdefa company is a professional manufacturer of maize meal and wheat meal. We already have over 30 years experience in flour mill market. We provide a high-quality machine, different capacity with different design, according to client needs. With Europe technology, South Africa maize process, China wheat process, roll out unique and innovative wheat flour mill and maize flour mill.
The head office of 石家庄 Hongdefa Machinery Company Limited is located in Wumashan Industrial Area, Zanhuang County, 石家庄 City. 4 hours driving from Beijing. Hongdefa has about 120 workers, a manufacturing factory, 15,000 square meters, and 5,000 square meters of production workshop, 6,000 square meters of warehouses, and 1,000 square meters of office space.
Second, our maize mill machine and the wheat flour mill machine have different patents. The gravity table patents, the drum sifter patents, and the Degerminator patent. And also, our maize milling machine and wheat flour mill machines have passed different certifications, like the ISO certificate, SGS, and BV certificate, and also the COC certificate, PVOC certificate, and SANCAP certificate.
And our Hongdefa have branch office in 3 African countries: Lusaka, Zambia, Kampala, Uganda, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. So we can easily provide pre-sales consultation to customers. After the start of operation of the machine plant, if the machine has problems or need some spare part, we can provide maintenance service and spare part service.
At the same time, Hongdefa has running maize mill machine and wheat mill machine in different countries like Zambia, Tanzania, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, South Africa, different countries.
We can arrange a professional engineer go to your place to get the installation, commissioning the machines. They can also teach your workers how to do the maintenance of the machine, how to operate the machines. Every year, our company will pay about $30,000 for the insurance fee to ensure the safety of our installation team.
That is why our clients always recognize our strengths after meeting with us. That's all the video. Next time, I will tell you more about the maize milling machines. See you next time. Bye.